What's going on, guys? Mike Dean here. Very simple video here today I want to bring to you for a specific purpose. If you're looking for a day trip from Guatemala City, this video here is for you. Where you'll be headed is Volcán Pacaya, an active volcano right outside of Guatemala City. It's about an hour and a half away that you can visit and hike to the top of. Spoiler alert, incredible hike. I very much enjoyed this hike, even though I started out thinking it wasn't going to be that great. In 2023, this volcano hasn't erupted for about a year, but this volcano is active. It does erupt, and if you're going in the future, you may be able to see lava flows coming out of this thing. We, however, did not, so if you're expecting that in this video, I apologize, it didn't happen. But I would love to show you the hike, list out all the prices for you, and answer any questions you might have in the comments below. With that being said, I hope you enjoy the video, and I really hope it's helpful. So when we got here, you get swarmed by a ton of people trying to get money so you can park, trying to get money so they can give you sticks and stuff like that. They just want to hike on their own. They don't want to get a guide and everything, but you have to. Then they see me, money, ching, 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 ching. So they're coming after us. Now we got to pay probably more than we should for a guide. It is what it is. Apparently we're not going to see lava, and it's starting to get a little cloudy, so I don't know how great this is going to be. It's kind of cool. Volcanic ash everywhere. You can see on the roads. I know we're gonna hike to the top. See what happens. See if I can bring you anything good. We started the hike. It's an hour and a half up, hour and a half back. We found sticks. Look at that. Okay, wow. Yeah, we're gonna hike, and we're like 1,800 meters above the sea. It's a little chilly up here. I would probably say bring a jacket. The path is pretty rough. I got toe shoes on, so I feel every rock. But yeah, seems fine.
Cocinar solo el varón. Puede cocinar solo el varón, uno de mujer no, que no le hace. Es como una forma de un secreto.
Only men can cook it. It's medicine.
Entonces viene, las rocas están por
Only
encima.
men. We're in trouble.
Allá se llama
There's a
rodeo.
lava river.
Yeah, right there.
Allá le llaman rodeo.
¿Cómo? Ah, el
Allá le
rodeo.
llaman rodeo. Allá, hicieron una ramillita arriba, un senderito.
Volcano over there. That's Agua.
Luego, esto sirve y de allí se come.
Ah, ¿en serio?
It's like coca leaves.
Really? Mmm. That's good. Oh, wow. No? Mmm. What's the name?
Honey.
Honey. It's very sweet, like a mango. Hints of like cinnamon in
Cinnamon.
it. Yeah, you don't taste that. You gotta get in there. Nature. Okay, this one's supposed to be better.
Nice.
Very good. It's a really good flavor. Puede cocinar con esto.
No, solo para comer así.
Ah, okay.
Sí.
Okay, wow.
Cosecha. Sí. Esta semillita, digamos la semillita que da aquí negrita, se cose, se muele, se le pone una mecha, se le ponen colores, se le pone...
A lot of beautiful views on the way up. That's where we parked. Way down there. And I think that's the city way over there. Volcán Agua right there. It's getting pretty steep now. It's not too bad though.
Aquí en Guatemala la comemos nosotros, pero en El Salvador no la comen, porque es la flor nacional. Le tienen un respeto.
Oh, okay. So she made that out of that leaf. She was saying that they make this leaf they can eat. They eat it here in Guatemala, but in El Salvador it's the national plant, so they don't eat it out of respect.
Es muy fácil, mire. ¿Y sabe?
Wow. That's really cool. So we're close to the top now. This is probably the steepest it's been so far. I don't think it's very difficult. The hike's been pretty easy so far. Looks like there's a little rest area up here. This is the top, this is a little rest station. Everything's double the price. Volcán Pacaya, Cerro Chino, La Corona. Look at this dog. He looks like a bear. Lava pizza?
But it's like 400.
Ah, yeah.
We can bring our own. We can cook it.
That's funny. There's a little camp over there. They're making lava pizza, heating it under the ground where it's hot. This isn't the highest point. The Cerro Chino's higher, so we're gonna go there and then I'm gonna fly the drone. That is crazy cool. Those lava rocks are insane. Jeez. Looks like another planet. Making our way up Cerro Chino now. It's windy, so I gotta switch back to this camera. Those rocks, man. When you see the lava, it's usually right here, but it hasn't erupted in a year, so there's no lava today, but it looks crazy. There's still hot rocks over here, you can see them. It feels soft. She said that this is just vapor from the volcano, so it's not actually lava. I can't smell anything though.
Hay bastante vapor. Adentro mejor, pero se tiene que quedar ahí como unos 5 minutos.
I'm just gonna eat them. So they're just reaching down in the rocks. I don't think it's hot enough. It doesn't look like they're catching fire though. Like right here in front of the volcano. I mean, I got a lighter.